Hello guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today we will discuss class 9 maths problem, exercise 2.2. As we can see here, the first question that we have is, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 and when x value is 0, as well as in Roman number 2 when x value is minus 1, and in Roman number 3 when x value is 2. We have to find in each of the following values of x the values of the given polynomial. Alright, then for our first problem, let us solve Roman number 1. Solution: let p of x equal to, what do we have? We have to take this one, 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Just bring this one at the first, since there is the power of which is the highest in each of them. It will be 5x plus 3. Now what is the question? The question has given me that x value is 0. You write it when x is equal to 0. Then therefore, instead of x, we have to put the values of x that we got here, that is 0. It will be 0, okay? And here it will be minus 4 into what is the values of x that we got, that is 0. Instead of x, we have to put 0, and what is this? Here we have a square. Then let us put a square plus 5 of x, 5x. What is the values of x that we have, that is 0? That means here it will be 0 plus 3. Alright. Then 0 square will give you 0, and if you multiply 0 with minus 4, then it will get 0. 5 into 0 will give you 0 plus 3. So if you plus all this, 0 plus 0 plus 3, that will give you 3. Thus, this is the values of the given polynomial when the values of x is equal to 0. Okay. Likewise, you have to proceed it even in Roman number 2 as well as in Roman number 3. Now, let us proceed to Roman number 2. Let p of x equal to 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Let us bring the one of which is the highest power, then 5x plus 3. Okay. Now we will find the values of px, or these values when x is equal to minus 1. Alright, x is equal to minus 1. Now the values of x that we have is minus 1. In place of every x, you have to put the values of this, okay? That is minus 1. You write it p of x. What is the values of x that we have? That is minus 1. You write minus 1. Then 4x squared. What is the values of x that we have? That is minus 1. Instead of this x, you have to put minus 1. And what do we have here? That is square. Just put a square plus 5 into x. What is the values of x that we have? That is minus 1 plus 3. Alright, minus 4. What is this? Minus 1 square. Minus 1 square means it will be minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus will give you plus. No need to write the plus. 1 into 1 will give you 1. Okay. And if it talks about minus 1 into cube, that is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So if you multiply whole of this, that is minus minus plus, it will be 1. And here we have minus 1. Minus into plus will give you minus. 1 into 1 will give you 1. That means minus 1 cube will give you minus 1. But whenever there is a square here, or whenever there is an even number in the power, then easily we can say that then the sign will be positive. Whenever there is like minus 1 power 3 or minus something and the power is odd, then the values that we got in that values there will be minus. Okay, and if there is minus 1 and the power that we have is even, then at the end when we found the result, in that the sign will be positive. Okay, likewise we have to proceed it here. Minus 1 square will give you minus 1. 5 into minus plus that will give you minus 5. 1 is 5 plus 3. 4 into 1 will give you 4 minus 5 plus 3. Minus into minus will give you plus, but the sign of it is just before the greater number is minus. Okay, the one that we got after we multiply minus and minus, we have to use it here. 5 plus 4 will give you 9. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus plus minus. 9 minus 3 will give you 6. And what is the sign just before the greater number? That is minus. We have to write minus here. Alright. That is the values of px. When x value is minus 1, it is minus 6. Is it clear to all of you? Then let us move to Roman number 3. What do we have in Roman number 3? In Roman number 3, we have to put the values of x is equal to 2. What is the values of x that we are going to put in Roman number 3? In Roman number 3, we will put x is equal to 2. Therefore, in place of every x, we have to put these two. Minus 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 3. Okay. Minus 4, 2 square that will give you 4. 5 times 2 that will give you 10 plus 3. 4 into 4 will give you 16 plus 10 plus 3. Okay. Minus 16 plus 10, that is minus into plus will give you minus. 16 minus 10 will give you 16 minus 10 will give you minus 6 plus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 will give you 6 minus into plus will give you minus. 6 minus 3 will be 3. And the sign just before the greater number, that is minus. Okay. When the values of x is equal to 2, then the values of the polynomial that will get, it will be minus 3. Okay, this is all about the problem that we will discuss today. Is it clear to all of you? If you find helpful in understanding all this problem, then please do like, share and subscribe for more videos to come. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you. Wish you all the best.